Hello guys, welcome to the next lesson. We are going to walk you through how to use Ads Manager soon. But first, let's talk about how campaigns are structured. There are three parts to a Facebook ad campaigns: the campaign, ad sets, and individual ads. Collectively, this is called the campaign structure, and knowing how these parts work together can help you best optimize your advertising experience and results. We will briefly break down each part using one of our customer companies, Kala in IV. We will start by explaining the first part, the campaign. The first thing you do when you go to create an ad in Ads Manager is choose a campaign objective. And think of the campaigns as the foundation of your ad. The objective you choose will define what option you will have in the rest of the campaign setup. The objective you choose should reflect what you want to accomplish with your ads, such as promoting your app or building awareness of your business. We will go over all the different objectives available in detail and when to choose which in the next lesson. Let's say Kala and Ivy wants to drive traffic to their website. They will set increased web traffic as their company objective and move on the next level of the structure, ad set. Ad sets are the second level of a campaign. Think of the ad set as the level that tells your ad how to run. The ad set level will define how you will see your ad, the targeting, where your ad will show up, the placement, how much you want to spend, the budget, and how long it should run for the schedule. It's important to note that a campaign can include multiple ad sets, each with different targeting, scheduling, and budgeting options selected. And this allows you to easily segment your ads to try different things to see what works. You could target one ad set to young people and one ad set to older ones. You could set one ad set to run on Facebook and one to run on Instagram. And you can effectively use them to target any of Facebook's audience categories. For example, Kala and Ivy might want to advertise wedding flowers packages to newly engaged couple in the Netherlands in March, and they are interested in finding out whether younger or older couple respond better to their ads. They could create one ad set to target people who are newly engaged, who live in the Netherlands, and are between the age of 20 to 35. And the second ad set to target those between 36 and 49. The third and final level of the campaign structure is the ad level. The ad level defines what your audience will actually see, for which you first choose the ad format and then you will add videos or photos, write a copy, and define your destination. Keep in mind that you can have multiple ads within a single ad set. Kala and Ivy could, for example, test a photo ad and a video ad in each ad set to learn which perform better. To summarize, a campaign is built of a single objective and consists of one or multiple ad sets that each contain one or multiple ads. It's a simple structure that helps you organize and optimize your campaign. And this structure also enables you to test many different variables such as your audience, ad, creative, etc. And this then allows you to shift more budget towards a highly performing ad set or ads or consider new strategies altogether. Alright, that's all for this lesson. See you in the next video.